Hey, welcome back. In the last few lessons, we learned how to do some basic modeling with Blender, and then we learned how to import geometry in case we already did the modeling in another software. But now we want to learn how to make a VR render. So normally, a render is just a picture. If you want to make a VR render, you need to make, first of all, a 360-degree picture, and then you need to convey two different pictures in the two different eyes of a person to give the illusion of depth. So to trick the brain to not see a picture, which a picture is a 2D thing, but to see actually a space, a space with 3 dimensions. So let's start. Open the project that you were working on, or simply learn how to import OBJ model by watching the previous video, and then we can start setting the parameters. First of all, select the camera which is in the scene. Remember that the camera should be facing horizontally, or otherwise the horizon line will not be straight in the render. With the camera selected, on the right menu, go and click the green camera symbol, and then change the type from perspective to panoramic. Click on the gray camera on the same menu and change the render engine to cycles. After that, go back to the green camera tab, and you will see that the panorama type should be set to equirectangular. Go now to the gray printer icon in the same menu and set the dimension of the output. You should make sure that the width is twice as big as the height. In my case, to have the maximum definition, I choose 4096 as a width and 2048 as a height. Tick the stereoscopy box, then you might increase the color depth, and as a views format, select Stereo 3D. Select top bottom as a stereo mode. On the top left corner of the screen, select the render menu and click on render image. If you did everything correctly, congratulations, you already did your first VR render. If there are any problem, you can simply send me an email by scanning this QR code, or simply by clicking the link in the description below. The correct output should be a completely square image where the top is occupied by the left eye view and the bottom is occupied by the right eye view. With the app in the description of the introduction of this series, you will be able to see it in VR. So, thank you a lot for the effort and for the attention, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye!